Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Monday, June 13th, 2011. Today we had a total of 8 executable trade signals for a max potential of 6 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Alright, we opened up this morning around 67.50. We started pushing higher. Shortly after the open, we had a signal to get long that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 8 ticks. And we were sitting there this morning with a what we consider to be a high probability gap fill. We came back down through our moving average, bounced off of the pivot, had a signal to get short that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 8 ticks, but we still had not pushed down low enough to fill our half gap or full gap. Came up with another signal long that did produce targets 1, no follow through or higher highs made there, so that ended up as a T1 minus 2. But as that was stopped out, it actually set up the next signal to the downside at the 10:45 confirmation time, which did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 7 ticks, and we did eventually fill our half gap. Bounced again off that level and had a signal to get long, and literally 1 minute before the dead zone we had that signal to get long, and it ended up being a full stop out as the market ran down and filled the 4 o'clock and 4:15 gap from the previous day. In fact, the market went all the way down to the previous day's low before finding support slightly underneath there at 12.59. Came out of that area, provided a signal long entry that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 9 ticks to the upside, and then the market actually started to push higher again up past the Globex high, and then around 2:30 we came down through our moving average and had another signal short, and this one was a full stop out, T0 minus 14, and when it did that it picked up a lot of speed. You can see how this move went parabolic. Actually, as soon as it was stopped out, it set up a signal long entry for an extension, which produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 6 ticks. So a lot of action today. For a good portion of the morning we were kind of in a very tight little range back and forth. Our signals actually panned out a little bit this morning, but we got caught a couple of times today for 2 full stop outs. Still ended up with 6 ticks. So 8 trades plus 6. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.